Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask to earn money. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is set up and funded with cryptocurrency. You'll then connect your wallet to various decentralized applications, or dApps, that offer earning opportunities. It's crucial to understand the risks involved and always do your own research before committing funds to any platform. We'll cover some popular methods next. One common way to earn is through staking, where you lock up your crypto to support a network and receive rewards. Another method is lending, where you provide your assets to a platform and earn interest from borrowers. Look for platforms offering attractive annual percentage yields, often ranging from 3% to 15% or even higher, depending on the asset and platform. Always check the platform's security and reputation. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, or DEX, by depositing two different cryptocurrencies into a liquidity pool. In return, you earn a share of the trading fees and often receive additional governance tokens. While potentially lucrative, be aware of impermanent loss, which can occur if the price ratio of your deposited assets changes significantly. It's a more advanced strategy. Finally, consider non-fungible tokens, or NFT, and play-to-earn games. You can buy and sell NFTs, potentially profiting from their appreciation. Many blockchain games allow you to earn cryptocurrency or in-game NFTs by playing, which can then be sold. Always research the game's economy and community before dedicating significant time or funds. These methods offer diverse ways to engage and earn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.